Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the catabolism of pyrimidines. So in the catabolism of pyrimidines, cytosine and uracil gets converted to beta-alanine and carbon dioxide and ammonia. Thiamine gets converted to beta-amino isobutyrate plus carbon dioxide plus NH3. So these are the end products of cytosine, uracil and thiamine. All these are water soluble, so can be easily excreted. So thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.